All right, so here again is the Yaesu FT-102, and I was having trouble with the BFO oscillator in this thing, just kind of going off, and I traced the problem to this plug here. And so I, in the last video, was able to pull the wiring out of that plug. It's a Yaesu factory crimped kind of plug. I pulled the wiring out of it. I resoldered the center conductor, and you must be careful because the center conductor will melt. The plastic insulator in the plug itself is not heatable and it will melt quickly. And I soldered the braid onto the casing here, just a few of those. And then to finish it up, I put some heat shrink on here. And while the heat shrink was still malleable, I bent this thing at a 90-degree angle. So it sort of lines up now with where it was, but this stuff is really tough to bend. Once it's bent, it won't bend back. And I don't know, I wish I would have bent it a bit further, but I didn't. Anyway, that's that. The heat shrink I used, I've had this for about a year from Amazon, and it works pretty darn good for radios and such. Anyway, that finishes up the radio. To test this guy, just turn it back on. It is on. Turn up the volume, and if I touch this now, it doesn't change. The volume doesn't change, doesn't go out. So I call this good and fixed. So that's a positive note. All right, so again, Yaesu FT-102 BFO plug. This could apply to any of these wires here that plug in. If they're defective, you can fix them. They're crimped on, and you can pull the crimp out and resolder. That's what happened right here. Okay, FT-102 notes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.